Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahin Absar. My ID is 171351961. My project is epsychologist.com, which is supervised by our honorable teacher, Mr. Khalid bin Bodrujaman Biplov, lecturer, Department of Software Engineering, Different International University. Now I am starting my video presentation of my mid defense. My presentation will cover project overview, motivation, goals, outcomes, stakeholder, features, block diagram, and so on. So first overview, the project mainly overview focused on a patient can search a doctor, a patient can get appointment, a patient or user can see information tutorials, doctor can enroll here, doctor can share information and tutorials, patient and doctors can connect with each other through the chat or call. Super admin can manage all of our things. Basically, the e-psychologist is an e-doctor site where people can meet up with a psychologist, psychiatrist. Here, patient can get appointments through the internet and meet up with psychologist. In addition, there have an option to get appointment online through video or voice call service. On the other hand, there is much more information that is psychological and mental tutorials for patient. There also have a survey zone. By using survey, patient can evaluate their illness. Mainly, there also have a live communication system, and this made treatment too much easier. In addition, there are many more activities. Why this system? Nowadays people are finding the easiest path of everything that need. Therefore, our project e-psychologist is a kind of project for psychological patient and psychological treatment, and that will help a patient to get treatment. In our project, we help to find the best solution for psychological treatment. On the other hand, we know this conscious statement from different members of many project group and e-health aims to provide general rules and general health service, but the psychological intervention is in practice that these recommendations are considered important points of attention when working is digital intervention. Not super silently, some of these good practice are already in place in several members countries. Then I discuss goals of my project. There have easy communication. I already mentioned there is a live chat system that can make easy communication with doctor and patient. And instant treatment. There also have online appointment system. The patient can get appointment through online and get treatment from online. Approximate problem evaluation. Approximate problem evaluation is an important part of in my project. That is, a patient can evaluate his problem by enroll many surveys. Then he can so that he can know his own problem. Share mental activity to release problem. There have many of doctors and admins who are share many of psychological information and psychological mental therapy in online. From here, a patient or user can easily reach the information and easily reach the tutorial and get well service. The next step is the outcomes. The main outcomes in my project is time saving, monetary saving, 24/7 convenience, online payment, centralized information, easy doctor and patient connectivity. Online payment is a easy service to needs a secure payment system. Also, an online appointment management system is a safe outcomes in my project. The first is outcome is time saving. Though it is an online service, so must there have saved many times. Then monetary savings. The time savings made by a facility can translate automatically into monetary savings as a function in a service, then staff translate into a reduction of expense. The appointment management system can reduce the need extra human resource created by a process and appointment scheduling. And 24/7 convenience, though it is an online platform, so it can always be open. Online payment Online payment service needs a secure payment system. As an online appointment management system is a safe and the data is kept secure, people find that themselves comfortable with online payments. Offering a free consultation for discounts or consultation fees within the limitation period after the initial consultation encourage the individual patient to make use of the online appointment management system every time to book the appointment. Easy doctor and patient communication. So I already described that this is an online chatting system that can easily communicate with each other. So there are three of stakeholder in my project: patient or user, doctor, and super admin. Patient are the main patient and doctor are the main part of this project. Patient can get appointment and doctor treat the patient. Super admin manages all of things about the project. There is a simple workflow. I saw a simple workflow through a diagram for easily understand the project. Software project resource and failure is not only a particular phenomenon in Western countries, but it is also a country such as India. Given the cultural disparities in perception, beliefs and behaviors towards work, the study allows the trend emerging in the development and economically developing countries such as India to be seen. The thesis is one of the seminal studies blended from much literature of success and failure, offering insight into the role of non-technical factors, understanding success and failure in software development. If I will able to fulfill the project, it will be helpful for psychological patient and relevant doctor. Thank you.